Hello all, this is Dr. Rikin Merchant speaking to you on behalf of Dentrepreneur 1.0. Today we have a very special guest with us, that is Professor Dr. Porus S. Turner sir with us. He is going to talk to us about his life story today. So sir, what has your life story been?
I'm very happy that you have asked me this question, Rikin, because to tell you the truth, people must be thinking that I have come with a golden spoon in my mouth. But it is actually the other way around. I had to struggle in my life to be what I am today. I came from a rather poor family and I was staying in a Parsi colony which was meant for poor and the middle class people, and I was considered in the poor category. I somehow completed my dental practice at the Nair Hospital Dental College and completed it in 1964. But by taking lot of advantages of grants and financial help from people, because I did not even have machine to buy a foot engine at that time. And then, but I had a great desire to be the best in the dental field, and I was prepared to work very hard to achieve that. That were my two goals. I wanted to be the best and I wanted to work very hard. And since I did not have my money to start dental practice, I decided to join the Baba Atomic Research Center in Mumbai, a very prestigious institute, and I was working in their dental section. It was very good. We had access to the latest books, materials, techniques, equipment, journals, and that is how I was continually educating myself right from the times of Baba Atomic Research Center. However, there was no money there. After having completed 20 years at the Baba Atomic Research Center, I said I want to take voluntary retirement. And because my pay was only 15,000 rupees at that time, and it was not enough for my family. So I approached the chairman and asked him that I would like to take voluntary retirement. And he said, "Why do you want to take voluntary retirement?" I said, "Because I have to do private practice and I have to make some money." So he said, "You are already practicing in the evening." Actually, we were not allowed to practice in the evening, but unofficially I was practicing in the evening in my home. And the Baba Atomic Research Center had no problem with that. In fact, they said that we would encourage you to practice because that is helping us with our patients. You are one of our best dental practitioners and please continue. I said, "It's not that. I know that you have allowed me, but I am not able to do both now. If I have to spend 9 to 5 in Baba Atomic and then work from 6:30 to 9:30 at my clinic, at the age of now 48, I was 48 when I wanted voluntary retirement, I'm not able to do it." He said, "You are right, doctor. You take your voluntary retirement and we wish you all the luck." I can only say that the chairman is still my patient and I treat him completely free of charge. But we are good friends, and he is now the principal scientific advisor to the government of India. So having said that, let's finish up with that. So then I started my practice, but this time I converted my room, which was my bedroom, into a dental practice, and I put in the latest dental chair, the latest equipment, materials and techniques from the money that I had saved working in the Baba Atomic Research Center. Then I made my daughter first the dentist, made her do her postgraduate. Then I made my son a dentist, made him do his postgraduate, and made all of them practice with me in two chairs only in my bedroom in my house in a Parsi colony in Bombay. Once they had absorbed what I had learned and I knew that they were ready, then I bought for them a more bigger place in South Bombay. There I worked with them for about a year or two, saw that they were well established or saw that they were doing the best work in the industry, and then I let them be. I completely dissociated myself from them and came back to my practice in Baikala and was practicing from there. After this, we saw that even that was not enough. That place was not enough. So now we have got more square feet in South Bombay, Cam's Corner, Home Chambers, and we saw that we put the best dental units in the world, and those were Dental Sinona seniors shares. Each cubicle was having its own X-ray machine, and we also invested in a cone beam CT machine. Cone beam CT has really revolutionized our practice. Now we can not waste time sending it out for cone beam CT. We can do it in our own practice. So investment was always into dental practice. Little only we invested outside in shares and stocks, and little in real estate, very little in real estate, mostly in shares and stocks. But most of our investment went into our dental practice. And now we have 7 chairs and units with the latest equipment and materials. And I can only say that recently, about 2 years back, we have gone completely digital. So we no longer take impressions. We do intraoral scanning with the latest scanner, the Prime Scan by Dentsply Sirona, which is of great benefit to us and to my son-in-law, Danesh. I don't know whether you know, my son-in-law was into working with Tata Finance when he decided to marry my daughter. And I said that I don't see a future you in Tata Finance. Why don't you become a dental technician? I require a dental technician. And he decided to be a dental technician. And today he is one of the best dental technician, not only in our country, but I would say in the world. He has invested like us into digital dentistry. He has not only 3D printers, he has got even subtraction machines, like he has the 5-axis milling machine, 6-axis milling machine, and he has his own photographic studio. So all our cases are documented by him and us. Documentation of your cases is very important. Please just don't do dentistry. Document. Put it on the internet. Internet is of great value today. If you don't have your cases on the internet, if you don't have a good website, it's of no use. So marketing, go to the internet and market yourself. That is what I call my market. Don't keep agents. I'm completely against agents. At least that is my personal view. But marketing is really very important. And now this is what I would call my life story.
Thank you so much, sir. Having said